Hi, if you're here for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Go for it. Thank you.
How's it going?
Good. How's your day been?
Just been driving Uber, you know. Another day, another dollar.
Did you bring the handcuffs? Oh, yeah.
Handcuffs for what?
Oh, we just like, yeah, we're just going to this club and yeah. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Where you guys at? You guys going to downtown?
Yeah, it's in downtown, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't really know. They give us the address like an hour before, so we've never been there.
Okay. Can you put your seatbelts on, please?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, what are you, what's your plans for tonight?
Just driving Uber, you know, until I get tired.
Oh, nice. Because the place we're going to, like, guys, get in free.
Oh.
Yeah, you want to come with us?
Is it like a party or something?
Yeah, kinda.
I don't like party. Oh, what are you doing?
Cute. You're cute.
You just hit me in the face.
Yeah, it's cute.
Are you crazy?
Did you like it? Did you like it?
What are you talking about?
Did you like it?
No, I'm driving a car. You don't do that anymore, okay? I'm literally driving. What are you doing?
What? You're cute.
Stop. That's weird.
Oh, sorry. We don't think it's weird. Yeah, we think it's cute.
This is being recorded, by the way.
Ooh, we like stuff recorded. Ooh, yeah. We make videos too.
Oh my gosh, what do you guys do?
We're known for recording videos. Yeah. We do like exclusive content.
Okay. Like what, on like Patreon or something?
No, OnlyFans. Yeah. You should join us sometime. I mean, sorry.
What?
Yeah, you should go out with us sometime.
You guys are crazy.
No. What do you mean?
Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm a normal like Uber driver. Like, this is not one of your fantasy things. So just like, can you just?
I mean, you can hang out with us one night. And is it a fantasy if we like make it happen? Right.
I don't know, but I'm kind of nervous right now. So just.
Like nervous in a good way. Be nervous.
What are you doing?
You shouldn't be nervous. You need to relax. Yeah, you need to calm down. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
What are you doing?
You're
Don't
nice
touch me.
Boy. I don't think. Have you ever been with two girls before? Yeah.
No, why would I be with two girls? It's like,
it's fun.
I like to respect. Like,
it's a lot of fun.
Well, how are you gonna give like both like what they want? You know, you gotta like do one at a time.
It's called sharing. It's caring. Like, and we can definitely teach you. If you want.
You guys are on drugs or something.
No. High on life.
You're sober right now?
Yeah, definitely. 100% sober.
Just maybe like, I don't know. Maybe you could do the next Uber you got.
Oh, what do you mean? But you're cute. Like, you want to go out with us? We can go to the same, like, we're going to the club. And how often do you get this off? Yeah, exactly.
Okay, it's never happened, but like, I just probably shouldn't happen.
What do you mean?
It sounds like a bad story. Like, it sounds like the beginning of like a horror movie.
Trust me, this will be the best story of your life. Yeah, we're girls. Nothing's gonna happen to you.
Okay. Yeah, that's what they all say.
No, how about this? How about we go back to your place? If that makes you feel more safe. We can go to your place right now. We don't even have to go to the club.
You want to go to my place?
Yeah.
This does not sound like appropriate at all. This is my workplace, okay?
We're cute. You're cute.
This is my workplace. I'm working. You wouldn't go to the bank. You wouldn't go to the bank and ask your teller to hang out, would you?
I mean, if they were cute. Yeah, exactly. We'll wait for them. Oh, we'll wait for you.
So basically, what you're saying is I'm not special. You do this to everyone.
No, just the cute ones.
Oh my gosh.
And you're cute. Yeah, you're cute. I think he's gonna say yes. I know it. We know you're just playing hard to get. I know you're playing hard to get. Just say yes.
What do you want me to do?
Just stop the car right now and we'll go together.
Stop the car?
Yeah, just stop working.
I need money though. I need money. I need at least another $100 today.
We'll give you $100.
You're gonna give me $100?
Yeah, if you go inside our house. Have the cash on us.
Oh my gosh. No, I can't accept any money.
Why?
I mean, I guess I could work after.
It's easy money. He said he's gonna work after. Okay. Is that a yes?
I don't know.
Oh, why? You're so hard to get. You're so annoying. Just stop. And how often does this happen? Yeah, how many offers have you gotten?
I can't do this. I'm sorry. I want to, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna let you guys out. But I hope you do find another.
You're stopping a ride?
Yeah.
You could at least take us to our destination.
Yeah. You're so rude.
It's right up there. You can walk.
You're so rude.
Can you walk us?
Oh my god.
I feel uncomfortable. I don't know.
Could you walk us?
Yeah, you're so rude. You're really rude. Why can't you just say yes to a girl? It's like you.
Okay,
like,
now you're raising your voice. Okay, now you're being mean. Okay, can you just get out?
We're really pretty girls. I don't know why you're
I
like.
don't care. It looks. It's more. I'm more into personality.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, let's just find another one.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, like that's exactly what I thought. Just another one. Like I'm so replaceable, huh?
You are.
Yeah, you are replaceable. There's millions of guys out there.
Wow, I thought it was special.